Gold yesterday created a small bullish candle with a wick on the upside and a wick on the lower side, which means the fight between the buyers and the sellers. We can see that the price was trying to reach a resistance level 3272.61, but the price has come very close to it. It has come to the supply zone but then dropped down. But also the price could not make a bearish breakout below this close price of this bearish candle, which means there is also no strong bearish pressure that will push the price down and reach the next support level at 3200. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see how the price has behaved yesterday. We can see after the price has started the day, the price has formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance. This was also a signal that the price will try to reach an area here, very close to this supply zone, but we can see the price has come very close to it, but it then bounced back down. We can see that forming a bearish breakout, suggest further decline, but then it was invalidated with the next bullish breakout, bullish candle here. Currently, we can see that the price is jumping around this area of support currently, 3239.95, and we'll see how the price will behave. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price yesterday was trying to move up. We can see that, then drop down, forming this strong bearish candle. Then the price has formed this bullish engulfing candle, suggesting further rise in value. And we can see the price has reached the next resistance level here. The price then tried to move 2 times to make a bullish breakout here and also here, but it was not successful, and then the price dropped down. So we can see we have a fight between the buyers who are pushing the price higher and between the sellers, the bears, who are pushing the price down. But we can see it's very important this area 3239.95 on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, currently acting now as a resistance for the price because the price is below this area. So what we can expect for today? Well, yesterday we can see 2 days ago the price is jumping between this area of support and this resistance. Then the price has switched back up 1 step between this resistance and the support, and currently the price is trying to move down. So this is an area between the buyers and the sellers that are pushing the price in each of the directions, but none of them are successful. Currently, what we can see in the last 2 days, the buyers are a little bit stronger because they have managed to put the price above this area of resistance, but currently they are potentially losing the strength. What we can expect today? Well, based on what we can see here on this candle formation, after the price has turned back up, unsuccessfully reaching this area of resistance, this is suggesting potentially that the price could go down again to reach an area of support 3200. But first, we need to see the price making a bearish breakout below this area of support around 3232, which is 3221. We can see clearly here, which is the very important support level that is holding the price from reaching lower levels. And also we can see that the very important resistance level will be, as a first step, 3257.30 to reach an area of resistance, which is a daily 3272.61. Until we see a clean, bullish and bearish breakouts outside of this area, the price will try to move sideways. And until that since that is active, I'm waiting also outside for a clean, bullish or bearish breakout, suggesting further rise or decline in value. And we can see that currently on the 4-hour time frame we have potentially making a bearish breakout, but it is still active, so we need to wait until this candle closes to see will the price manage to go down below this area of support. But remember that we currently had yesterday the same bearish breakout, which has been invalidated with the next bullish candle. So the price is trying and fighting between the buyers and sellers here, which will be also a very important information when the breakout happens. So let's see on the daily time frame what happens today, which will be potentially a bearish breakout or bullish breakout, which will also indicate further rise or decline in value. Yesterday I have mentioned that it's very important for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which will target the next level. This has happened. The price almost reached this area of supply zone here. It has come very close to it, but then the price retraced back down. So we'll see how the price behaved and which are the stronger today, buyers or the sellers. Feel free to check also the link below in the description, where I share these details with the premium analysis traders, where they get also information of the breakout, when the breakout happens on any of these markets, and also 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed.
If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!